was something they didn't know it was on the internet. They didn't want it to be trained. They didn't want it to be able to be an answer in a chat bot, kind of thing. It's like, well, look, there's some, kind of navigation that happens that as we're tuning, we will try to get that individual, kind of better participating. What is like kind of the notion of copyright and control over my own data? What does that mean? And by the way, what should we fully allow it to mean? Because one of the things that most people, for example, a classic discussion I have within Europe is like, well, I own my own data. It's like, well, actually, it's not clear that that's the right metaphor for this. Because it's like, all right, so here we are in a studio that we've rented. And, a picture is taken of the two of us. Does the studio own it? Does the person taking the picture own it? Do you own it? Do I own it? Does the city that we're in own it? Like this notion of ownership of data actually is frequently too simplistically stated. And actually, in fact, when you begin to look at data, what we do is we have a whole set of principles about how data can be used to the welfare of individuals, the welfare of society, and that it is actually, in fact, a bunch of more subtle decisions that are not just like, Alex owns this data. And the GDPR